Bataan looking to turn their season around. Told well after a slow start. And Yves Sazon scores immediately. South Cotabato has yet to score. Larry Rodriguez, the kick out.
Good pass.
Elorde knocks down the three.
Yeah, inside to outside game, Larry Rodriguez. Ang ganda ng tira ni Elorde.
Inside, Ramirez.
Ganda ng pasa ni Gabawan doon. On the cutting, Ramirez. For him, dahil health issues. Ayan, nagpapa-check up siya ngayon.
Acuna from the corner. South Cotabato, handoff to Enzo Joson. Joson. Rodriguez atake. Joson gets it and puts it in for two.
Larry Rodriguez.
Rafi Octubre fires a three. That's good.
Ang ganda ng action noon sa ball screens, especially in the second reversal. Si Octubre on the third reversal.
Step back three. Enzo Joson. 5 points now para kay Enzo Joson.
Engaged siya, especially on the offensive end. Started his career with Marikina. Kaya ito, Rafi Octubre, nabanggit natin.
5 for South Cotabato. Bataan 2 of 4. Joson puts the ball on the deck. Nice fake. Leans in and puts it in for two.
And I thought, was he the finals MVP?
No, I don't think so.
That time, no? Coach Aldinayo, ang kanilang coach during that time. Coach Louie Gonzalez.
Pero yan yung mga galaw nung nag-champion sila. Ganyan. They were very solid, that team. Mga naalala ko yun, sila Ray ng Batak.
Correct. Sa mga preseason leagues, Father Martin, kalaban ng CSB. Sazon with a jumper, yun, bumawi sa last two misses niya. One of the... Ito na ngayon ang South Cotabato. Horns play, Jervy Cruz. Matic ba? Yes!
Jervy Cruz and Mark Cruz combining on that play. Vera behind the back. Quickly.
Nice.
To bring us Minus with some hang time.
Paborito player mo to eh. No, si Minus. Former Jordan. Jordan part 2. Pero ito, hang time. Ala Jordan naman talaga yung ginawa niya. No? Ang ganda ng pasa.
Tolentino. Marwin Jonicio for 3. Yes!
Ganda ng linya na yun. Masyado naging komportable yung tirang yun. Yes, merong late challenge. And just comfortable. You see how he stepped in with that little 1-2. Nothing but bottom.
Ganda ng golf course. Ganda ng water park. Overnight kami doon.
Parang masarap sumama next time, ha?
Sumama ka na next time.
Jervy Cruz, pangalawang 3-pointer na.
Marwin kicks it out to Mark Cruz. He'll fire a 3. That's good.
And that's the second time already in this game. We're in the long shot, the long miss has...
That's it to Acuno. Dapat si Dumapig. Nice looking jumper from Ray Acuno.
Well, that's a bailout shot by Acuno because that offense was...
Sazon gets it back and knocks down the jumper.
That's a nice play off a timeout.
Nico Elorde, binigay kay Val Acuna from the corner.
What did I tell you? Foul. He was trying to give up a foul to stop the break, but what a backdoor play between Gabawan and Yves Sazon, and that's how you beat the denials.
Here's Joson. Larry Rodriguez, yes.
Missed his first shot earlier in the first quarter on the same spot.
No good. Baguio trying to test the defense of Acuna.
Wow.
Great finish. Ramirez secures the rebound. Chance for Bataan to draw closer.
Good pass.
Sazon for 3. Yes.
You know, Sidney, one of the hardest things to guard in transition aside from the forward pass is that's mahaba pa ang galamay. Ganda ng decision dito ni Kyle. Hindi pinilit. Oh. Bumalik tuloy sa kanya ang bola. Mukhang makakashoot pa. Nakakita mo yun, no? Had a chance maybe to force the issue. One haba niyan. Tapos, yung isang koponan galing pa sa masakit na talo, no?
Yeah, that's true.
Ecija.
Jonicio swings it over to Mark Cruz. Cruz.
Floating jumper on the side na ikinatuwa din niya.
Well, more importantly, I think
Sinusubukan siyang postehan, no?
Ni Santos.
Ni Santos sa ilalim.
Octubre with a hand in his face.
Yung pag-anticipate niya.
Gabawan, layup.
Nice! Did we hear a whistle? Wala. Eto.
On the other side, Hoson will finish the break.
How about the footwork by Hoson?
The free throw line, here's Rafi Octubre. Oh, that's a tough one. Alam mong, tumama na nga sa kamay niya yung kamay ni Apreco. The kick out to Ramirez. Santos gets it back. Open from the corner. That's good.
A little Steph Curry-ish play right there. Santos was the Elvis to start the second half. You know, yung mga nabanggit mong pangalan, sila Castro, wala silang point guard eh. Sila Darang. Pero Ives Sazon, hindi katulad ng mga ibang pangalan, common eh. Sidel, Christian.
Oh, what a move!
Ayun, kakaiba yun.
Jamil Gabawan.
Pasa.
Cruz drives. Jervy for three. No. Dumapic the offensive rebound and he puts it in for two. Sazon to Octubre. Rafi with a jumper.
That's his shot. That's his shot.
Against Octubre. Dumapig. Lumapit. Chris
Nice.
Dumapig.
End up with that jump hook.
Sazon, great fake. Wow, basket plus the foul.
So, somebody woke up today. This one said, that left foot. Yung pagpreno.
Saktong-sakto yung pagpito mo.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hindi natatawa yung mga anak ko when I'm impersonating someone, pero kita mo naman, hindi natawa doon si Coach Elvis.
Oo. Abangan natin. Malapit na.
September 7.
September 7.
First game ata kami.
Malapit ka na rin mawala dito sa panel. Preco. Or Octubre.
That's a foul.
Oh! Rafi Octubre.
Rafi Brownlee Octubre with a 4-point play. Yan ang turnover nila nangyari nung first half. Tatlo pa lamang ang turnover nila ngayong third quarter.
Sazon drives and lays it in for two.
He's a player.
Here's Mitchell Maynes, also a player.
Siyempre, hindi ka magpapahuli sa paborita mo eh, no?
62.
14-point swing.
They swing it over. Janicio
That's his
knocks
shot.
down the corner three.
And that's the difference. Remember the first play, he was coming off a...
Third quarter. Jervy. Down low they go to Dumapic. The kick out to Cruz. Jervy, the extra pass. Marwin. Yes! Back-to-back hits para kay Marwin Janicio.
Seal, and then gravity, and then kick out. But this one also inside game Vera with a nice drive. Finish with the right. Marikina under kay Coach Elvis. So, kilalang kilala siya, obviously. And Enzo Hoson, we talked about players being solid.
Ng Bataan. Bataan also winning the third, 26-16. Rafi Octubre shoots and scores.
Rises up for that shot.
Dumapig inside and Chris Dumapig. Puti. Sa ilalim. Against Acuno. Si Dumapig nowhere to go. Kick out to Kyle Tolentino. Tolentino ties the game.
Everybody was busy stopping. What a screen. What a screen.
Sazon, too strong on that drive. Elorde to Hoson.
Goaltending.
To Gabawan. Thought about it. Takes the shot and knocks it down.
How about Ives Sazon? One of the few times in the 6 seasons here, he's gonna give up a shot. Tolentino, binawi naman kagad.
Gabawan using the shot fake, trying to find Baguio. Great defense by South Cotabato. Hoson with some hang time on that finish.
Look at the banggit mo, a little hang time and little cushion right now, and a steal by Elorde.
Here's Elorde, layup, 2 points. What a run here in the fourth quarter. in the first 4.5 minutes of the fourth.
Playing Grand Theft Auto was Elorde that time. This one, he was the assist man.
Vera, the hesitation move. Ramirez, atake. Back out to Vera. Three-pointer, yes!
Well, the drive and kick game has worked.
On the move. Ives, atake. Layup, good. Great response from Bataan.
What a finish that was. Talk about
3-game losing streak. They wanna end that tonight. Junicio, jumper is good. 14 in the ball game para kay Marwin Junicio. Here's Junicio against Octubre. Out to Hoson.
Nice move.
Enzo layup. That was pretty.
Oh, what a move by Enzo Hoson. Talk about and finish.
Ramirez for 3. That's good.
And the counter to that nice move. I'm talking about Ives Sazon.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX 16 points.
It's only a 2-point game.
Ramirez, quick 2. And Bataan. Jervy Cruz, they foul Elorde 2 seconds off that clock.
With 10 points. That's big. That's the game.